Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are a parent looking for healthy, balanced, and easy homemade meals for your baby or toddler, you are in the right place. Before we start, please take 1 second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me your baby's age. I love reading your comments and replying to you. Now, let's go through a full nutritious day meal plan, starting from breakfast all the way to dinner, including healthy snacks. Breakfast: oatmeal with spinach, kiwi, chia, and yogurt. Let's begin with a gentle, nutrient-rich breakfast that supports digestion, brain development, and strong bones. For this breakfast we use 20 grams of oats, 10 grams of cooked spinach, 20 grams of ripe kiwi, half a teaspoon of soaked chia seeds, 40 grams of plain yogurt, 120 milliliters of water. First, soak the chia seeds in hot water until they become soft and gel-like. Then cook the oats with water until they are very soft and creamy. Add finely chopped, well-cooked spinach into the oats and mix gently. This helps introduce greens in a very baby-friendly way. Separately, mix the soaked chia seeds into the yogurt. Cut the kiwi into very small pieces, removing any hard seeds for safety. When serving, place the spinach oatmeal as the main portion, yogurt with chia on one side, kiwi on the other side. This meal provides iron from spinach and oats, vitamin C from kiwi to improve iron absorption, omega-3 fats from chia seeds, calcium and probiotics from yogurt, fiber for healthy digestion. This is a wonderful breakfast to start the day with energy and comfort. If this breakfast idea is helpful, comment breakfast below, and don't forget to share this video with another mom or dad who needs meal ideas. Snack 1: banana and peanut butter mash. For the first snack, we keep it simple and filling. Ingredients: 40 grams of ripe banana, half a teaspoon of natural peanut butter. Mash everything together until smooth and creamy. This snack is rich in healthy fats for brain development, potassium for muscles and heart health, natural energy without added sugar. Always make sure the peanut butter is smooth and given in small amounts. Lunch: chicken, eggplant, and couscous stew. Now let's move to lunch: a protein-rich, soft-textured meal. Ingredients: 25 grams chicken breast, 30 grams peeled eggplant, 15 grams couscous, 10 grams onion, a tiny pinch of sweet paprika, 150 milliliters water. Cook the chicken, onion, and eggplant together until everything is very soft. Add water and simmer gently for about 10 minutes. Then add the couscous and a tiny pinch of sweet paprika. Cook until fully soft. Mash lightly or chop finely depending on your baby's age and chewing ability. This lunch provides high-quality protein for growth, fiber for digestion, vitamin A from eggplant, gentle flavors that are easy on the stomach. Snack 2: avocado and flaxseed mash. For the second snack, we focus on healthy fats. Ingredients: 30 grams ripe avocado, half a teaspoon ground flaxseed. Mash together until smooth. This snack supports brain development and healthy skin. Omega-3 fatty acids, feeling full without heavy food, perfect for afternoon energy. Dinner: lentil, carrot and spinach soup. Dinner is light, warm, and nourishing. Ingredients: 20 grams lentils, 30 grams carrot, 10 grams spinach, 5 grams onion, 200 milliliters water. Cook lentils, carrot, and onion until very soft. Add spinach in the last 3 minutes to preserve nutrients. Blend lightly or mash to your baby's preferred texture. This dinner provides plant-based protein, iron for healthy blood, fiber for digestion, a calming meal before bedtime. This full-day meal plan is designed to be balanced, nutrient-dense, gentle on little tummies, easy for parents to prepare. If you found this helpful, please comment "thank you" or your baby's age below. Share this video with parents who want healthier food choices, and subscribe for more baby and toddler meal plans, recipes, and feeding guidance. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.